What's up, YouTube? So today I want to talk about hot rodding or redneck lancing with you, and I want to compare it to blowing a hole in the bottom of something with a torch. Commonly when you're building columns or anything that has a base on it, you need to have a hole in the bottom for drainage reasons so it doesn't rust up on the inside, even if it's being coated with something like galvanized. In the past, I've done a lot of hot rod work, and I've also pierced a lot of metal with a torch. So today I really want to see which one's quicker, but the hot rod is a good option if you do not have torches on you. So let's give it a shot. All right, so here's some jack stands that I welded up. Pretty good, pretty decent welding. But anyway, we're not here for that. We need to blow a hole in the bottom of these plates. I got a few of them. So we'll start blowing holes in these things. We'll start with the hot rod first, time it out, and then we'll do the torch second on this one or one of the other ones. They're all 1/4 inch base plate. I'm gonna turn my machine up to like 250 amps-ish, and then I'm basically just gonna jam the rod through the bottom. So let me show you. All right, so that was pretty quick. I would venture to say it was maybe only a second or so. But as you can see, it blows a nice circular hole in there. It's not perfect, but neither is a torch cut hole. Let's see how quick a torch can cut a hole. All right, so between the hot rod and blowing a hole with the torch, the hot rod was quicker. We were about 7 seconds with this. I'm sure you guys can play it back and count it up yourself. And we were about 16 seconds with this. Not much big time difference, but you know, when you're doing a bunch of holes, I think this is a little quicker to set up because you can't really place a torch down. You can place your stinger down. The torch is on, you got to restrike it and everything. That's also adding to your time. Well, once the stick is in the torch or in the electrode holder, it's in there, you know, and you can use it until it's gone. So I opt for hot rod on a lot of projects. Well, leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And hey, subscribe, like, do what you can. If you didn't like what you saw here today, tell me about it. Dislike the video. All right? I'll catch you next time. I'm Melting Metal Anthony. Keep burning rod. Keep grinding shit. Keep fabricating. Do what you can. Have a great day. I hope this helps you out.